Hello everyone, I'm Tony and in the 6th grade at Sinan Elementary School. I show you my presentation, The Brain Right. I can see a brain right from my bed. Can you see that brain right? I asked my sister. The brain right is quite a sight. What do you think it is? I asked. My sister thinks that brain right is from a star. But she is not right. The brain right is not from a star. The brain right is from a frame. We do not see right now. Time for bed that calls. Sleep tight and turn off the set right.
Okay, good. I have some questions for you.
Yes.
Is it okay?
Yes.
Okay. According to the story, what does the father want them to do?
They are going to bed.
They are going to or they go to bed? They go to bed, right? Okay. So, okay, you can say it like this. Dad wants them to go to bed. Go. Dad wants them to
go to bed.
Okay, one more thing. Where is the bread light from?
The brain right
Is from
for plane.
Okay, plane. Star?
No.
Yeah, okay, very good. Thank you.
Thank you for listening. Bye bye.